yesterday are the teams who will be locking arms this afternoon in the second day, match day of the competition. In 4-0 yesterday by the host team, and the Premier League champions beaten by 5-1. Nathaniel Abe, Bernard Todo, Robert Dodu, Benjamin Chivagnon, Mohamed Abdulrahman, Solomon 2024. Pakwesi Febin is positive about his team concede 4 goals in the opening game. And there the whistle go. That's the kickoff for the second day. First, here is Oblitekomi for Nsoatreman. There's a big chance. And the cross from Abe met by nobody, but the flag had already gone up for offside against Nsoatreman. So there you see Nathaniel Abe sprinting towards the offside position. Is a good call. Good play from Kobna to pick out Chivagnon Dogley. Here is Oblitekomi. He nutmegs Slimba. Good play from Oblite. He goes down. Referee waves play on. He finally takes the foul. He played the advantage initially, but he goes back to take the foul. Free kick for Nsoatreman. That's some brilliant play. Look at how Oblite nutmegs Slimba Abdullah. Brilliant stop. And he's caught by Neron Korte. That's a free. The Honorable Ignatius Balfoewa is optimistic they will make an impact. Here is Nathaniel Abe. Abe bends one, and it's a brilliant goal by Abe. What a finish. Wonderful goal by Abe. The technique was spot on, the delivery was brilliant, and goalkeeper Godfrey Dodu completely beaten. Nsoatreman 1, Legon Cities 0. Well delivered. That's a quality delivery from the left back. The bend on the ball made it very difficult for Dodu to provide any answers to wonderful delivery. First goal scored by the left back, Nathaniel Anete Abe. On the run, but Isaka again arrives and make the needed interception. Abdulrahman with a chance to make it 2. Abdulrahman, can he make it 2? And it's 2-0 for Nsoatreman. The striker, Abdulrahman, who doubles the lead for the Confederations Cup campaigners. It's 2-0 for Nsoatreman. Lovely ball from Bodo to find Abdulrahman, but that was a lovely finish. Thinking the ball past the goalkeeper. 2-0 for Nsoatreman. Lovely pass. Brilliant finish. Oblitekomi with a brilliant pass to find Abdulrahman, and it's a lovely finish on the left foot. 2-0. Pakwesi Fabin looks very worried. His Opokunti goes straight to Sabi. Sabi is yet to be tested in today's game, primarily because Isaka, Ankra, Chivagnon, and Abe have done a good job. But here's Abdulrahman, the second goal scorer with a cutback. Here is Dodu, and it's the third goal for Nsoatreman. They want to pay Legon Cities back in the same way they got punished by Samatex yesterday. They're up by 3 goals before halftime, but that's clever play from Abdulrahman, very unselfish, with the presence of mind to cut the ball back for the arriving Dodu, and he connects with the left foot. It's a good finish. Robert Dodu makes it 3-4 in Nsoatreman. Good play, good understanding, and it's a perfect goal. 3-0 before halftime. Legon Cities at the receiving end. So Legon Cities have made triple substitutions. Tahir is out for Richard Owusu. Ibrahim Wema is also going off. His place is taken by free kick taken. It's a good drive and a good save from Sabi. Osei Kofi has made from close range and he finally pulls one back. Osei Kofi has pulled one back for Legon Cities. It's Legon Cities 1 and Nsoatreman 3. That was Ankre's flick from the free kick. And the drive that came in from Clinton. Osei Kofi missed the first time, but he wasn't going to miss the second time. They put one back. It's Legon Cities 1 and Nsoatreman 3. Goal scorer, Samuel Osei Kofi. So that's commencement for second half here in Samra Boy. Here is bar 4 for Legon Cities. Long ball onto the right, looking for Nicholas Opokunti. There's a push by Abe. Dodu goes down. Free kick for Nsoatreman. Dodu's cross and Abdurrahman makes it 4-1. A brace for Abdurrahman, 4 for Nsoatreman, and they are cutting Legon Cities to size. It's Legon Cities 1 and Nsoatreman 4. They've scored the same number of goals they conceded yesterday, but the build-up was excellent. Dodu, beautiful goal. Well worked out. And the assist from Richmond Opoku. Very precise and quality. Abdurrahman goes past Limba. He's got Abe arriving. Here is Abe, brings it back to Dodu, but Akom will take it. He gives the ball away cheaply. Here is Dakwa to Diu. Now Richmond Opoku already assisted, and that's the 5th goal. Another assist from Richmond Opoku, and Abdurrahman finally gets his hat-trick. It's 5-1 for Nsoatreman. 2 assists from the substitute and a hat-trick for Abdurrahman. But what were the defenders doing? Poor defending, and Nsoatreman would not mind. 5-1. So Legon Cities have conceded 10 goals in 2 games. Nsoatreman. Anfu loses the ball. Here is Osei Kofi. Can he get a second for Legon Cities? And he's missed. How did he miss from that range, Osei Kofi? That certainly should have gone in for the second goal. Anfu loses the ball here. Owusu does well to get the ball to Osei Kofi. But look at him. Should have gone for the far post than going to the near post. Over, but DU can't get to it. That's the final whistle. 5-star performance from Nsoatreman. They've beaten Legon Cities by 5 goals to 1 in the second day, first game of the Nsenkyire 2024 Cup. 5 goals, hat-trick from Abdulrahman. The highlight of this game. But that free kick from Nathaniel Abe was also